Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you turn your text into graphics instantly, how to use Craiyon AI. So all you have to do is open the crayon.com in your browser. This is mobile version. You can create AI art with a free AI image generator here. So what you want to generate, you can type the text, for example, a dragon, and this is the style. You can choose this style, photo or drawing style, and this export mode. So this is the result of the dragon. Let's try another a another text that you want to generate. For example, let's start with a PC. No, I mean a processor. Sorry. Here, and then draw. So you have to wait estimated time, and this is the result of my AI by generate the processor text here. So please free to try to use this Craiyon AI art tools with a free AI image generator. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.